Protocol 7 Alpha validation complete. Quality standard metrics confirmed. Assembly effective.
This tactical system integration is flawless. It adheres to all military engineering protocols.
Agreed. The quality control standards are met.
Our defense manufacturing sequence utilizes combat-proven methodologies. We implement strict military...
Firing solution locked. Impact successful.
Telemetry data confirms structural integrity. We have a green light to proceed.
From secure production to classified testing, we ensure operational effectiveness for global military deployment.
The integration sequence passed initial quality control. We're within military-grade specifications for the tactical system.
Excellent. Confirming operational effectiveness rates now.
Utilizing classified production equipment, we implement strict engineering protocols ensuring battlefield-tested performance and operational effectiveness.
Strategic logistics validation complete. Global distribution channels are green.
Acknowledged. Confirming operational effectiveness.
Our defense manufacturing sequence utilizes classified equipment, implementing strict military engineering protocols to ensure combat readiness.
Every component undergoes rigorous classified testing validating operational effectiveness for global military deployment.
Units. Our defense manufacturing sequence utilizes advanced engineering protocols, ensuring every vehicle achieves certified Utilizing classified production equipment, we implement strict military engineering protocols, ensuring tactical readiness for extreme operational environments. Weapon systems stabilized. Combat reliability protocols confirmed nominal. Logistics channels are green for global deployment. Implementing military engineering protocols, this defense-grade equipment ensures operational effectiveness for global deployment.
The sequence ensures operational effectiveness, utilizing classified production equipment and strict engineering protocols for global military deployment.
From strategic manufacturing to simulated combat scenarios, we ensure peak tactical performance and defense contractor excellence.
Certification check complete on the hydraulics.
Confirmed. Initiating transport protocol, MGLT.
Security clearance verification complete. Activating classified production sequence. All systems maintaining military-grade specifications.
Military standard testing under combat simulation ensures operational effectiveness. We guarantee excellence throughout global military deployment.
Strategic precision targets met on schedule.
Agreed. This demonstrates operational effectiveness. Well done.
Materials processing finalized. Global deployment integration sequence initiated. All systems nominal.
Secure production environments integrate classified testing procedures, validating operational effectiveness and ensuring battlefield-tested performance for global military deployment.
Our defense manufacturing sequence utilizes classified production equipment for component fabrication, adhering strictly to military specifications.
This ruggedized assembly ensures operational effectiveness in extreme environments.
Recoil stabilization metrics are nominal. Check the dispersion patterns.
Patterns confirmed. Uploading data to command now.
Quality check complete. All protocols met. Confirming sign-off.
Initiating activation sequence. Systems are green. All systems registering green across the board. The Mark V protocols are successful. Reliability confirmed. Preparing for deployment sequence.
Battlefield-tested performance ensures operational effectiveness across all deployment scenarios.
Strategic logistics coordination active. Military engineering protocols verified. All systems operational.
Sequence utilizes classified production equipment, implementing military engineering protocols to ensure strict tolerances and operational effectiveness. Our defense manufacturing sequence utilizes classified production equipment to optimize military certification protocols.
Check the tolerances on the classified components.
Military specifications are locked in. Sequence is nominal.
From systems integration and classified quality control, we ensure defense contractor excellence. This guarantees
Loading sequence complete. Hardened integrity confirmed.
Strategic assets deployed. Pushing activation codes now.
The diagnostic results confirm operational effectiveness. Good. Upload the validation data to the secure server.
Our military certification protocols ensure combat-proven reliability, utilizing classified production equipment, utilizing classified manufacturing systems and strict military engineering protocols ensures battlefield-tested performance and operational effectiveness. Our classified production equipment implements military engineering protocols for hardened electronics integration, meeting battlefield requirements.
Assembly secure. Finalizing diagnostic checks now.
effective immediately. Market operational.
Validation protocol complete. System functionality is green across the board.
Reliability requirements met. Ready for deployment.
Priority deployment to the Pacific Command needs immediate confirmation.
Updating tracking system now. Delivery confirmed.
We've optimized the flight path algorithm for Sector Gamma 9.
That significantly reduces detection probability during ingress.
This batch meets the defense standards for classified production.
Excellent. Proceed with the final quality control checks.
This documentation confirms successful defense implementation, showcasing fully operational manufacturing systems in synchronized continuous production.